Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on iPhone. Boost performance in minutes. Clearing the app cache on iPhone is a little tricky because iOS does not offer a built-in feature for clearing the app cache, while the browser cache on an iPhone can be deleted through the Settings app. Apple does not provide a universal cache clearing option for apps through the Settings app. Instead, the app cache can be deleted in two ways: on the app level and by deleting the app from your iPhone. To clear the browser cache on iPhone, open the Settings app, then select Safari. Scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Tap Clear History and Data to confirm. By clearing the cache in Safari, you will close all the open tabs on Safari and clear the private data, including cookies and website data. You will also log yourself out of the website, which means you will have to log back in next time you visit them. To clear the cache on the app level, you will have to check within the specific app if it offers a cache clearing option. Go to the app settings and look for the options Clear Cache, Clear Data, or Clear Storage. However, clearing the cache is not a universal option and some apps don't provide it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.